I want to discuss here dog bite cases. These cases happen more frequently than you think, and a lot of people who suffer or are victimized from a dog bite do sustain serious injuries. We've had a few dog bite cases come through my office, and they generally are very significant. Generally, there's significant loss of blood, there's scarring, there's tremendous mental, psychological distress that comes from it. So one of the things to keep in mind is that in New York, a dog bite is considered a strict liability issue, but it's not strict liability in the sense that if a dog bites you, the owner is automatically liable. It doesn't work like that. It's strict liability in the sense that if the dog has shown vicious propensities prior to the bite, then it's considered a strict liability issue, right? So the law looks at, did this dog ever attack and bite anyone? Did this dog ever snarl? Did this dog ever show signs of aggressiveness, right? And these particular cases of the specter of personal injury cases that my firm has represented injured people, dog bite cases, generally we have to hire a private investigator, and someone has to go around asking the neighbors, has Rex snarled and shown his teeth? Has Rex snapped, right? Has Rex attacked people before? And these are significant issues. And the other thing you sometimes have to do is, if you can't find anyone, you need to find out where Rex went, for his veterinarian treatments. You need to subpoena those records, and generally, once you do that investigation, you're going to know whether you have a case or don't have a case, right? And at that point, if indeed this dog, had prior vicious propensities, previously attacked someone, and you have the evidence of it, they're, good cases that, will result in, will result in a settlement commensurate with the level of injury. However, there are plenty of dog bite cases where you can't find that this dog ever, acted inappropriately before, and the vet records don't exist. And, those particular cases, not much you can do. There's been a movement in New York over the last many years to change the standard from that of strict liability to that of negligence. Negligence is a standard of care that all of us have to engage in. And by the way, that's the law in probably over 40 to 45 states, but New York hasn't, for dog bite cases, changed over to that. So you need to keep that in mind when, or if, or heaven forbid, you've been attacked or injured, or someone has been attacked or injured by a dog. Remember, in New York, it's strict liability. Generally, it's called the one bite rule. If you could find that one previous bite or one previous instance of poor behavior, the case is actionable. If you can't, the case is not actionable. So I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.